In this video, we would study about importance of minerals in plants. Importance of minerals in plants. Plants need some minerals for their growth and development. Why do plants need minerals? Plants need minerals for their growth and development. They are called as plant nutrients. They are called as plant nutrients. Plants cannot grow without them. Without nutrients, plant cannot grow. They get some inorganic nutrients like carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen from air and water. They get some inorganic nutrients like carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen from air and water. In addition to this, they absorb some nutrients from the soil as their ions or salts get dissolved in water. Based on the quantity in which they are required, plant nutrients are divided into two types, macronutrients and micronutrients. Based on the quantity in which they are required, plant nutrients are divided into two types, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium stands for NPK. We also sometimes call NPK. NPK means stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. The deficiency of iron and magnesium makes the leaves become pale. If a plant is deficient of iron and magnesium, leaves would become pale. Plants with less amount of nitrates have stunt growth and yellowish of leaves. Shortage of phosphate causes poor root growth. Yellow leaves with dead spots occurs when plants are deficient in potassium. So by looking at plant or by looking at these symptoms, we can easily recognize whether the plant is deficient of a certain mineral or not. Micronutrients are iron, magnesium, and zinc. Iron, magnesium, and zinc. Deficiency disorder in plants. Diseases in plants are generally caused by action of harmful bacteria and fungi. Diseases in plants are generally caused by action of harmful bacteria and fungi. But sometimes the plant gets affected by certain diseases caused by the deficiency of required nutrients. Let's see in the table nutrients, what are their functions and what would be deficiency disease. Nitrogen, it is a macronutrient and it helps in the constitution of proteins, chlorophyll and protoplasm of plant cell. Deficiency disease would be yellowing of leaves. Leaves of plant would become yellowish. Phosphorus, its function is helps in growth of root and formation of cell membrane. If it is deficient or plant is deficient of this mineral, then late flowering and premature leaf fall. Late flowering and premature leaf fall. Potassium helps in photosynthesis and in opening and closing of stomata. Its function is that it helps in opening and closing of stomata. Deficiency disease would be stop the formation of starch, stem becomes cylinder and leaves withers away. Stops the formation of starch, stem becomes cylinder and leaves withers away. Calcium regulates opening and closing of stomata and participates in other nutrient intake. Its deficiency disease would be culling of young leaves, stunt growth, and damaged fruits. Let's see about micronutrients. Iron. Its function is that it helps in essential for the formation of chlorophyll and respiration of plants. Deficiency disease would be yellow and pale green leaves. Magnesium helps in the photosynthesis and respiration of plants. Disease would be yellowing of leaves with stunt growth of plant. Zinc helps in protein synthesis in the plant body. And deficient disease would be yellow leaves and stunt growth. So these are important plant nutrients, their functions and deficiency diseases.